Here's a little studio update for everybody. Here we have the back table in the studio / garage. As you can tell, we have some resin printers, some cure and wash bays, a battery backup. Underneath the table, we have an Ender 6, a teleprompter, another wash and bay, a blow up Santa Claus because it is that time of the year, a crossbow target, and a Bluetooth speaker. As we go around, we have a box that has all of the electronics for the Trident that we will be building here shortly. Well, more like finishing. We started building it, but then we stopped. And then we have the truss system that was built a few months back. Here's the Trident in all of its glory. As you can tell, it is literally just the frame, the motors, the bed, nothing else, which we will get with that here shortly. Here's a couple of different prints that we've done. We have one of the incredible slide in place. We got Deadpool over there. We got some benchies that we were testing with Protopasta. And then we have the background that will be in every video and live stream coming up. We have a Squirtle up here, the 3-foot Mr. Grinch, the football that was 3D printed out of, I think it was TPU, that didn't survive more than 10 minutes. So, with that being said, if you want to see more of this Trident being built, like and subscribe to the channel.